students, welcome to my YouTube channel. Myself Madhu. So my YouTube channel is Science Maths Academy 2023. In this YouTube channel you will get everything about class 10th math science. So tricky methods, old question papers will be solved, new question papers, new model papers will be solved. So everything will be get in only one channel. So please like my videos, share my videos, and please don't forget to subscribe my channel and please press the bell icon. Any doubt is there, please comment in the comment box. Thank you. Hi everyone. So welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video we are going to solve science model paper number 9. In that paper we are going to solve the question number from 1 to 16. So now let us answer question number 1 to 16 now. The first question is, which of the following reaction is used in the whitewashing of walls? Which of the following reaction is used in whitewashing of walls? So option among these four, the right answer for the first question is option C. So option C, that is CaOH taken twice, CaOH taken twice plus CO2 give rise to CaCO3 plus H2O. So this is called slaked lime. This slaked lime, when it is made whitewash on the wall, it reacts with carbon dioxide to form calcium carbonate and water vapor is liberated. So water will get evaporated. So the right answer for the first question is option C, that is this one. Then coming to the second one, in hydropower plant, the flow of water from greater altitude gets converted to electricity. The reason is it has high temperature. So among these four options, the right answer is option B, a large quantity of potential energy, because in a dam the water is stored. The stored energy is potential energy, and when the water is made to flow, that potential energy is converted into kinetic energy. Using kinetic energy of water, we are producing hydropower. So for the second one, the right answer is option B. Then coming to third question. In an electric motor, the direction of current changes once in each. Among these four answers, the right answer for that is third question is at every off rotation it changes its direction. Therefore, for the third question, the option C is the answer. Then coming to fourth one, in which of the following organism do you find this type of reproduction? ಇಲ್ಲಿ ನಮಗೆ ನೋಡ್ತಾ ಇದೆ, ನೋಡಿ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಸಿಸ್ಟ್ ಫಾರ್ಮೇಷನ್ ಆಗಿದೆ, ಮಲ್ಟಿಪಲ್ ಸೆಲ್ಸ್ಗಳು ಡಿವೈಡ್ ಆಗಿದೆ. ಹಾಗಾದ್ರೆ ಮಲ್ಟಿಪಲ್ ಫಿಷನ್ ಅಂತ ಬರುತ್ತಿದ್ದು. ಸೊ ಮಲ್ಟಿಪಲ್ ಫಿಷನ್ ಅಂತ ಬಂದಾಗ ಇಟ್ ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಬಿ ಸೀನ್ ಇನ್ ಪ್ಲಾಸ್ಮೋಡಿಯಂ. ಸೊ ಪ್ಲಾಸ್ಮೋಡಿಯಂ ಈಸ್ ಎ ಪ್ರೋಟೋಜೋವಾ. So option C, and this plasmodium is a protozoa which causes a disease called malaria. Next, metal found at the top reactivity series can be purified by, among these four options, the right answer is electrolytic reduction. So for fifth one, the right answer is electrolytic reduction. Option B is the answer. Then coming to sixth one, the hormone that promotes cell division in plants. So which is the hormone that responsible for cell division? Among these four options, the right answer is option C, cytokinin. For sixth one, option C is the answer. Then coming to seventh one, which of the following does not represent electric power in a circuit? ಇದರೊಳಗೆ ಯಾವುದು ಎಲೆಕ್ಟ್ರಿಕ್ ಪವರ್ನ ರೆಪ್ರೆಸೆಂಟ್ ಮಾಡಲ್ಲ ಅಂತ ಕೇಳಿದ್ದಾನೆ. ಸೊ ದ ರೈಟ್ ಆನ್ಸರ್ ಈಸ್ IR square. It does not represent the power. So for seventh one, the right answer is option C, that is IR square. Now let us move for the eighth one. The eighth question is, which of the following organism break down the food material outside the body and then observe it? So among these four, the right answer is yeast. So in the yeast, it observes it breaks down the food outside and then absorb it. Therefore, for eighth one, option A, that is yeast, is the right answer. Now let us answer the ninth question. So ninth question is, draw a schematic diagram of circuit consisting of a battery of three cells of 2 volts each, then 2 ohm resistor and 6 ohm and 8 ohm are connected. So they are connected, and draw a plug key all connected in parallel anta kelidane. So now let us write the circuit diagram for this one. So circuit diagram na bareyona. Nanu illi rough agi baritini, ನೀವು you have to use the scale and pencil. So scale pencil na use ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. So first let us draw 3 resistors. All the 3 resistors are connected in parallel. So it is parallel connection. So here this is 2 ohm, this is 6 ohm, and this is 8 ohm resistor. So parallelly, in parallel we have to connect the voltmeter. Voltmeter is connected in parallel. Now you have to connect 3 cells. This is the first cell, this is the second cell, and this is the third cell. So ಪ್ರತಿಯೊಂದು ಸೆಲ್ಲಿನ ವೋಲ್ಟೇಜ್ ಬಂದು 2 ವೋಲ್ಟ್ಸ್, ಹಾಗಾದರೆ ಟೋಟಲ್ 6 ವೋಲ್ಟ್ಸ್ ಆಯಿತು. ಸೊ ಇದು ಪ್ಲಗ್ ಕೀ, ಇದು ಅಮ್ಮೀಟರ್. So ಇದು ammeter. So like this you have to connect, and this is the direction of the current. So ಇದು current in a direction. Current always flows from positive terminal to negative terminal. So ಇದು like this you have to draw a parallel circuit. So this is the answer for the 9th one. Now let us move for the 10th one. What is binary fission? The 10th question is, what is binary fission? So binary fission andre ಏನು? So let us answer this question. A mode of asexual reproduction, in which a single parent is divided into two daughter cells. If the single parent is divided into 2 daughter cells, then it is called as binary fission. Then coming to 11th question, why does the magnetic lines of force never intersect each other? So for this question the right answer is because at the point of intersection there will be two directions which is not possible. So this is the right answer for the 11th one. Then coming to 12th question, name any 2 methods to reduce the problem of waste disposal. So waste disposal na reduce ಮಾಡೋದಕ್ಕೆ 2 ಮೆಥಡ್ ಕೇಳಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಸೊ ಮೊದಲನೇ ಮೆಥಡ್ ಬರೋಣ, ಅವಾಯ್ಡ್ ಯೂಸಿಂಗ್ ಆಫ್ ಪ್ಲಾಸ್ಟಿಕ್. ಸೊ ಪ್ಲಾಸ್ಟಿಕ್ನ ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡೋದನ್ನು ಅವಾಯ್ಡ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು ಒಂದು. ಎರಡನೇದು ರೀಸೈಕ್ಲಿಂಗ್ ಆಫ್ ಪ್ಲಾಸ್ಟಿಕ್, ರಬ್ಬರ್, then ಗ್ಲಾಸು, ರಬ್ಬರು, ಪ್ಲಾಸ್ಟಿಕ್ಕು, ಪೇಪರು, all these should be recycled. By recycling we can reduce the waste disposal. So this is the answer for the 12th one. Then coming to 13th one, silver chloride should be stored in a dark colored glass bottle ಗಿವ್ ರೀಸನ್ ಅಂತ ಕೇಳಿದ್ದಾನೆ. ಸೊ ಇದಕ್ಕೆ ಆನ್ಸರ್ ಬರೆಯೋಣ. ಬಿಕಾಸ್ when it is exposed to light, it undergoes photolytic decomposition. It undergoes photolytic decomposition reaction. So this is the answer for 13th one. Now let us move for the 14th question. The 14th question is, write the balanced chemical equation involved in the preparation of baking soda. The balanced chemical equation in the preparation of baking soda is sodium chloride plus water plus carbon dioxide plus ammonia will give rise to NH4Cl plus NaHCO3. This NaHCO3 is called sodium bicarbonate or baking soda. So this is the balanced chemical equation. Now let us move for the 15th one. A student connects a boiler of 15 ampere circuit to 15 ampere circuit. Is he correct in joining the circuit? So justify anta keliyene. Agare 15th question, the right answer is what he has connected. Yes, it is correct. It is correct because boiler draws more current. So this is the answer for 15th one. Now let us move for the 16th one. The indicated part X in the diagram is damaged due to accident. Write the effect of it on respiration of that person ಅಂತ ಇದೆ. ಅಂದರೆ lungs damage ಆಗಿದೆ. So when the lungs get damaged, it reduces the amount of oxygen. Receiving. So what the oxygen it receives? It reduces the amount of oxygen receiving. So receives anta ಹಾಕೋಣ. So it reduces the amount of oxygen it receives. ಸೊ ಅದು ಆಕ್ಸಿಜನ್ ರಿಸೀವ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳೋ ಅಮೌಂಟ್ ರೆಡ್ಯೂಸ್ ಆಗ್ತಾ ಹೋಗುತ್ತೆ. ಸೊ ಇದರಿಂದ ನಮಗೆ ಸೆಲ್ಯುಲಾರ್ ರೆಸ್ಪಿರೇಷನ್ ನೀಟಾಗಿ ನಡೆಯೋದಿಲ್ಲ. ಸೊ ಇಟ್ ರೆಡ್ಯೂಸಸ್ ದ ಅಮೌಂಟ್ ಆಫ್ ಆಕ್ಸಿಜನ್ ಇಟ್ ರಿಸೀವ್ಸ್. ಸೊ ದಿಸ್ ಈಸ್ ದ ಆನ್ಸರ್ ಫಾರ್ 16th question. So like this we have to answer. So remaining part of the questions will be answered in the next video. Thank you very much.